Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 4 of the Wera advent calendar. Last time we opened the 3x25 hex plus bit. Now let's see what's behind number 4 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And what we have is the 10 by 25 Torx bit plus the 1/4 adapter. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day number 5. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.